Hey, Strumsilly here. It's the 53rd season of the ukulele. Bird week, and the birds are out after a few days of rain. It's a beautiful day, and so this one is called Talking Bird. Though you know so few words, they're on infinite repeat. Like your brain can't keep up with your beak. You're kept in an open cage, so you're free to leave or stay. And sometimes you get confused, like there's a hint I'm trying to give you. The longer you think, the less you know what to do. Well, it's hard to see your way out when you live in a house, 'cause you don't realize that the windows were open the whole time. But oh, my talking bird, though your feathers are tattered and furled, I love you all your days, till the breath leaves your delicate frame. It's all here for you, as long as you choose to stay. It's all here for you, as long as you don't fly away.